Hi all! So in today's video we're going to see some beautiful tissue handwork blouses. The blouses have come out very beautiful, very elegant these look. So we have two types in it. So one with tissue and net in it. So we use net to highlight the embroidery or just to give that little modern look. And the other one is completely tissue with nice intricate work on it. So I'll just show you both. So I'll show you the one I'm wearing now. So this is a beautiful deep wine shade with a little of purple in it. So we have given square kind of motifs for the sleeves, and for the back we have added a net for the neckline and its embroidery on either side of the net. A very beautiful color just to match any of the sarees which you have in your wardrobe. So the first one is a nice pinkish red shade. So it is like a strawberry pink shade. Most of the sarees in our wardrobe will either have pink or red. So we have done this to match any of the sarees in your wardrobe. So this is beautifully done with net in it and nice stone work and beads work, sequins, glass beads, everything, crystal stones for the net part, everything is used in it. It looks very classy and nice, beautiful pattern for the back of the blouse. And for the sleeve, it is done like this. This also we have not just done like a border for the sleeve. So it is a sweetheart neckline shape for the front neck. So, and it's a front open blouse. The next one is a classy one, I would say, because this blue, because the tissue, all these sarees have that golden sheen in it. So if you see even the one I'm wearing now, the one I showed before, all these have nice golden sheen in it because the tissue fabric. And since the blue and the tissue is mixed, it looks very classy. We've done a nice work just for the top of the thing alone and with hanging beads. So we've added this royal blue clipstone just to elevate that royal blue's real vibrant texture. And for the sleeve, we've added the net. So you can see. So it's a very elegant thin embroidery for the sleeve and a cute little puff sleeve for the sleeve as well, with a close neck pattern. For the front there is no work, it's a close neck, but it has small cutie sequin work all over the blouse. So the next one, these three blouses, there is no net in it, but we've done nice embroidery and patterns for the back, neck, sleeve and all that. So this one is a beautiful shade of flamingo pink. Again, this color suits most of the designer wear sarees, even silk sarees and all that. So it is done in a nice scallop kind of a finished neckline for the back pattern. So in this, it is divided into two. One is with the booties and the other is with the stripes, with all glass beads, sequins, stones, everything. So it just gives a nice glittery feel. And for the sleeve, we've done the border work with hangings like this. The border work is also done with scalloped finishing. For the front neck, it's just one side work with a scallop kind of a finishing on the right side of the blouse. The next one is again a color which will suit most of the sarees. So this is very pretty because of the heaviness in the edges of the blouse. You can see it's a scallop kind of a finishing for the entire sleeve, for the back pattern, everything. And we've used rice shaped crystal beads for the motifs in the same green color. And for the neckline, for the back also, see we have that nice scalloped finishing at the edges. So all these ari works can be done on any fabric of your choice. So this one is a very minimal classy one. So this has a beautiful neck pattern for the back. The best part is the peacock at the top of the neckline, with nice stones, cut beads, round beads, everything. And again the sleeve, only for the shoulder we've given work. And for the front neckline, we just added on one side. The blouses which we have shown now, we can do in different colors as well. We have 20 plus color options in tissue fabric. So any of the fabrics, we can do the same work. So you can just choose a color which will match your sari or your lehenga or whatever it is. We can even customize it as crop top. And all these blouses can be purchased as such from our website. The codes are given in the description below. The website is messma.com. Or you can contact us on WhatsApp for customizations. The numbers are given below. Also, you can drop into our store directly so that you can get the measurements and all that done perfectly to your size. Hoping to see you soon at our store. Thank you so much for watching.